Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you that I got error when I run the flight fare prediction project. So let's run the project, open in terminal and then write python space main.py. Okay, then enter. So that particular error I am facing, like trace back file main.py line number 150 in module resize image is equal to img.resize 900 550 dot image dot antialias, and module PIL.image has no attribute antialias. So let's open the code and open line number 150. This will be the line number 150. So we are getting that particular error in that line. So I tried to install the pillow and PIL library. Okay, but it won't resolve. So I just check Python versions, edit system environment variable. Just click on the environment variable and double click on the path. So it already added the Python and Python script path in that particular location. C user Sony Y app data. Let's go to that particular location. C users Sony Y app data local programs and Python. So Python is already installed in that system and the location also added in the environment variable. So just try to resolve that particular error. I asked the ChatGPT about this and it advised me to upgrade to Pillow latest version. So I already upgrade to latest version but not yet resolved. Let's check the Pillow version. Open in terminal and write pip show Pillow. Then enter. So I have upgraded to latest version 10.4.0. Okay, module name Pillow. So the solution is the anti-alias constant was removed in the Pillow 10.0.0 after being depreciated through many versions. Now you need to use the pill dot image dot languages, okay, or pill dot image dot resampling languages. So I have to install one pillow versions. Let's click on open in terminal and write pip install pillow is equal to 9.5.0. Then hit enter. So now it is downloading. Now let's write CLS and again run the Python code which I'm trying to resolve that error. Now it works. Okay. So this will be the solution of that particular error. And if you are getting error, then you can comment us. I will try to resolve that particular error in your system and I'll provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching any type of project ideas, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.